Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to log into ClickUp, whether you're using your email and password or signing in through Google or Microsoft, so you can get into your workspace and start getting things done. If you find this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. And let's get right into it. First, let's cover the classic email and password method. Open your browser and head to ClickUp's website. That's app.clickup.com, or simply click the login button at the top right of their homepage. You'll land on the login screen, which is clean and straightforward. Type in the email address you used when you created your ClickUp account, then enter your password in the field below. Once you've filled both in, click the blue login button and you'll be taken straight into your workspace. If you've ever forgotten your password, there's a forgot password link right on that screen. Click it, enter your email, and ClickUp will send you a reset link in just a minute or two. It's also worth bookmarking the direct login page so you can jump straight in without hunting for it every time. Now, if you'd rather skip passwords altogether, ClickUp supports single sign-on through both Google and Microsoft. And honestly, this is the faster option if you're already signed into one of those accounts in your browser. From the same login screen, look for the Continue with Google button or the Continue with Microsoft button sitting right there below the email field. Click whichever one applies to you and a pop-up will appear listing the accounts currently active in your browser. Select the one you used when you created your ClickUp workspace. If your credentials aren't already cached, you may be prompted to enter them, but most of the time you'll be inside your workspace with a single click. One thing to watch for: if you have more than one Google or Microsoft account linked to your browser, make sure you pick the right one. Choosing the wrong account is the most common reason people land on an empty workspace and wonder what went wrong. And that's it. You now know how to log into ClickUp using both methods, email and password, or Google and Microsoft single sign-on. If this was helpful, hit the like button and drop a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. I read every one. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.